Welcome back. In this video, we will go over the basic use of the CronySoft handheld application. This video will show you how to download the application, log in, search and scan items, edit an item, add a new item, check the dashboard and review department sales reports. This is helpful for owners, managers, and staff who want to quickly manage store information from a handheld device without always needing to use the desktop back office. Let's begin. First, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. In the search bar, search for Crony BackOffice Pro 2. Once you find the CronySoft BackOffice application, download and install it on your device. After the app is installed, open it and log in using your CronySoft BackOffice credentials. Once you are logged in, you will land on the mobile BackOffice home screen. From here, you can access important sections such as Dashboard, Report Center, Price Book, Tools, Accounts, HR, Store, CRM, and other available options. The Crony mobile application is no different from the desktop application. Everything that you do on your computer is also going to be available on your mobile device. So that means you can access any option, any module from anywhere on your mobile device and make changes just the way you do them on your desktop PC. Now let's start with searching for an item. At the top of the screen, you will see the Smart Search option. Tap into the search field and type the item name. This makes it easy to quickly find an item without going through the full product list. You can also use the barcode scanning option. Tap the scan icon and scan the item barcode using your phone or tablet camera. Once the barcode is scanned, the app will search for that item in your price book. If the item already exists, you can open it and review the item details. Now let's talk about editing an item. After finding the item, open the item details. Depending on your screen, you may see options such as Edit, History, Sold History, or Sales History. Tap the Edit to make changes to the item. From the Edit screen, you can update important item information such as description, department, vendor, tax, retail price, cost, case information, margin, and other available fields. Make the required changes carefully, and once you're done, tap Save. This allows you to quickly update product information directly from your iOS device. Next, let's go over adding a new item. Go to the price book or product section, tap Add Item. You can start by scanning the barcode or entering the UPC manually. Then enter the item description, select the department, choose the vendor if required, set the tags, enter the retail price, cost, case information, or any other required item details. Once all required fields are completed, tap Save. The item will now be added to your back office. If you add or scan a new barcode, the system may show as item not found, but it will ask you, do you want to add a new item with the barcode that you entered? Upon clicking yes, it will create a new item. Then you can add the item details and that will create the new item in your back office. This is useful when you need to quickly add a product while walking through the store, checking shelves, or receiving new items. From the main screen, click on Dashboard. You can quickly view department sales with just one click. Simply click on today's sales and you'll be able to check the sales breakdown by department. From your phone, you can still access the HR module as well. Employees, training, schedule, attendance, all the same just like the web application. You can go to Employees, view all employees here, submit payroll checks, advance cash requests, also add employees from here too. You can upload employee documents and send invitations. You can also still edit employees from here, send to POS, advance cash, reset PIN, reset biometric, registration PIN for time clocks. You can generate that for any employees or new employees directly from the phone. So you can register them for time clocks, check-in and outs. The mobile dashboard is useful when you want to check store performance quickly from your phone or tablet. For Samsung users, the process is the same. Open the Galaxy Store, search for Crony BackOffice Pro, download the app, and log in using your CronySoft credentials. The CronySoft app is designed to make basic back-office tasks easier from a handheld device. You can search items, scan barcodes, edit products, add new items, check dashboard numbers, and everything that you do on your back office on your desktop, you can do it directly from your handheld device. And that's it for this basic overview of the CronySoft handheld application. After downloading and logging in, you can begin using the app to search, scan, edit, add items, check the dashboard, and review department sales reports, and much more. And that's all for the CronySoft iOS backoffice application. I'll see you guys in our next video.